Hello, Thomas. This is Mr. Joe from South Korea, and then actually, that I got the TBS Mini from AFV, and I already emailed you yesterday, right? And as you advised, actually, that I didn't connect anything to prop 2 or 3, only 3, 1 to 3 I connect. And then this is a receiver. Okay, that's all. I try again. And then one second. And then stop, and then the silent ringing. After that, I off receiver. I try again. That's all. And silent again. I don't understand what's going on. Also, this is a receiver battery. When I use this receiver battery to receiver B connect, like the sound like that. I don't understand what's going on. It doesn't work. One more time. I don't understand what's going on.